Think you don't have enough money to own that dream home? Well, think again. I'm with Miss Celine Santa Ana, the Retail and Mortgage Head of BPI Family Savings Bank's Housing Loan Division, to answer your housing loan related questions. Hi, Miss Celine.
Hi again.
Hi again. It's time to answer yung mga questions ng ating viewers related to purchasing their dream home. Okay.
So who do we have right now?
Okay, it's a guy this time, Miss
Oh, okay.
Celine. He's Angelo Laos of Parañaque.
Okay.
Okay. His letter reads, "My wife and I want to apply for a housing loan so we can buy our own house before she gives birth next year. But with all the expenses that come with a new baby, will we still be able to afford the monthly payments for a new house?"
Well, Angelo, not to worry. Because I'm sure when you planned having a baby, you must have set aside some funds for that already. And if you're really thinking of, buying a new home, you must have in mind a monthly amortization or an amount or a budget that you feel you can afford to pay for that housing loan that you want. Now, if they apply with us, Angel, in BPI Family Savings Bank, we'll really make it easy in the sense that when they apply with us and they tell us how much they would like to apply for a loan, we can talk it out and discuss with them exactly what is the amortization that they can afford. And we make sure that we give them the expert advice to package that loan and tell them, well, for one, this is what you can afford given your salary. And maybe what we can do is extend the term. We can even actually do up to 25 years if need be. In the bank, we make sure that this is really a partnership. We don't want to foreclose properties because we're not in that business. And what we want for them to do is for them to be able to pay us. One thing with us in Family Bank is we'll have to tell them exactly what is it that they can afford. So if they think na mas mataas pang kailangan nila, then they just have to show us the income, the documents to show proof that they can really pay it. Kasi sometimes, ang pinapakita lang ng mga tao is, let's say, the income they get from their employment. Yun pala naman, they have also a share in their parents' business, or they have rental income. So these things will help us, evaluate whether they can afford an even higher loanable amount. So as far as Angelo is concerned, Angelo, we'll make sure that the loan that we will give you is something that you can afford and it will tailor fit your cash flow.
Okay. Thank you very much once again, Miss Celine.
Okay,
And for
sure.
your housing loan related questions, you may email Miss Celine at this email address.